Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to add a search bar to your Blocksy mobile menu. Alright, as you can see here, we have our mobile menu, but we don't have a search bar here. So if we wanted to add one, let's go ahead and click on Customize. And that should take us to the WordPress customizer. Okay, while we're here, let's go ahead and change our preview down here. Desktop, tablet, and mobile. Let's click on mobile. And let's click on header. And we now have the ability to choose to add a search box. So you can either just put a search bar. I'll show that to you real quick here. We can either just put a search icon, or we can put a whole search bar or search box as it's called here. It's probably going to take up some space, but you can see it there. So what I'd like to do is to put it in our mobile menu area or our off canvas area as it says here. So let's drag and drop that here, and it should be top of this part here. Let's click on this, and you can see we now have a search bar. If we click on search box, we can change how wide it is, right, to make it more responsive. We can change how tall it is to make it easier for our users to click. And we can change the icon, we can turn on live results, but personally I probably just turn that off because it might interfere with these, and if we have our live results, come up here, we might inadvertently click one or tap on one of these things and lead us where we don't want to. It might be a bit frustrating. And we have our filters here, and we can disable it or enable it on tablet and mobile depending on what you want. And we also change the design. You can change the font color and the border color and the border radius. Actually, I might do something about this. Make it a bit rounder, maybe a bit more, just so it looks a bit nicer. Okay, and we can also change the margin here. Left margin, 40 pixels. There we go, and we've centered it real nice. So let's click on Publish to save our changes. Okay, let's double check. Let's reload our site. And we now have a search bar in our Blocksy mobile menu. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.